Alright, this is Little Falls Rapid at 3.5. Brint and Chris. Brint is going to take the conservative line down the right side, hug the rocks along here, and then he's going to take the Maryland chute straight down there. Chris is going to take far off in the distance, farthest off on river left or river right. He's going to take that sneak back there, come down here, drop down in through there, and then straight through on the Virginia side. Here they go. From Brint. Ooh, just out of the hole. You nearly got in there. Here he goes down the Maryland side. Alright, this is Chris's camera, so I'm pushing over to Chris. Oh, he's still far enough away. Alright. There goes Brinton. Down through the rapid. Cha-chunk, 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 cha-chunk. There he goes. He's through. There's Chris, off in the distance. Looking at the sneak. He's going to pop out right behind those rocks. There he is. Drop. Here he comes again. Nice, nice. Oh, oh, oh. He stayed up. He stayed up. He's going through. All right. He's approaching the second rapid. He's on the Virginia side. You got to get past the Room of Doom. He's into the rapid. He's through.